Every day we hear Cylance attack other vendors, including Sophos, with unbelievable claims about how great they are and how poor everyone else is. But when you carefully look at the facts, the truth is something different. At Sophos, we're no strangers to next-generation cybersecurity technology. You can see it across our entire product line, from our new Intercept X signatureless exploit prevention to our XG Firewall series, all tied together via Sophos Central to create what we call synchronized security. But despite everyone in the industry's best efforts, including our own, sometimes bad stuff makes its way onto users' machines, and, what's worse, users themselves often let it in the front door. Phishing emails, USB drives, visits to phony websites, and much more. Security made simple. These three words drive every decision we make and every product we build here at Sophos. The technology found across our product line is second to none, yet we realize that at the end of the day, sometimes protection boils down to a split second, a fateful click from a user's finger. Let's take a look at a machine loaded up with Sophos protection. If an end user inadvertently opens a document that contains an exploit, no problem, we'll get it. If they get tricked into visiting a bogus site they think is legit, it's okay, we'll block it. If they bring a thumb drive to work and plug it in, we can deny access. And ransomware. We prevent ransomware, even if launched by a user, from holding irreplaceable files hostage. Plain and simple. Our friends at Cylance have woven a compelling story based mainly upon two foundational pillars, machine learning and artificial intelligence. However, this is not new technology by any means. In fact, machine learning permeates our endpoint products through and through here at Sophos, and the entire fabric of our synchronized security technology is artificial intelligence that's more advanced than any other product line on the market today. But what about the human element when it comes to Cylance? On this machine loaded with Cylance protection, here's what happens when a user accidentally opens a document that contains an exploit. Here's what happens if a user visits a bogus site. The site is allowed to load. And since it looks like Amazon.com, the user enters and submits a username, password, credit card details, and personal information, even a social security number. There's no device control. A user could bring in a USB device and copy important files to it. And user-executed ransomware carries devastating consequences. These files are locked up forever, only to be freed by an expensive and embarrassing bounty to be paid to criminals. In a world with no humans, no mouse clicks, and no mistakes, perhaps an incomplete or less advanced file scanning solution like Cylance might be enough. But in a world of constantly evolving threats, ever-expanding data portability, and, most importantly, people, Sophos has next-generation technology that's second to none, and that's built people first. Get started with a free 30-day trial of Sophos Central today so you can try out all of our advanced capabilities yourself. You'll be up and running in minutes. It's security made simple.